Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by powering off and unplugging the major Roman 4. Start on a clean, flat surface to avoid losing parts. Use a small flat tool or plastic spudger to lift the outer lip of the ear pad where the seam meets the cup. You're separating the retaining ring, not tearing the pad. Once done, rotate and peel the pad away steadily while observing clip points so you know how the new pad must seat into the groove. You align the new pad by matching the seam to the headband notch. This ensures proper symmetry and microphone/port alignment. Then stretch the pad gently over the cup edge while tucking the foam flange into the retention groove. Take your time and work around in 6 to 8 small steps to avoid uneven tension. Make sure you press into each clip point until you hear or feel a soft snap. This confirms the pad is fully seated, and you finish by wearing the headphones briefly to test comfort and acoustic seal. Good contact improves bass and isolation. If you notice a gap or looseness, remove the pad and reseat the problematic section, focusing on the clip points you missed. If adhesive residue or dirt prevents proper seating, clean the rim with isopropyl wipes, let it dry, then reattempt. One troubleshooting tip: if a clip feels stiff, warm the pad with your hands for 20 seconds to make the material more pliable before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.